Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get ChatGPT to create floor plan for you on PC. So firstly, open up any browser of your choice and go to ChatGPT's website, which is openai.com, and then you can log into your account if you have an account. So you can click on this login option and log in, or you can just use your Google credentials. So once you're here on ChatGPT logged in, so what we're going to do now here in the chat option here in the chat box here, we're going to type in this chat prompt here. So type in this prompt here. So create a floor plan for your like type of space. So what is it for you? So for example, like a bedroom, apartment, office, studio, whatever that is. Okay, so I'll just do that. So for example, let's say I'm going to put for studio. So just type in whatever that you want the floor plan for. Okay, and then you can include the following rooms or areas, so whatever you want rooms, or uh, just include that, like living rooms, kitchen or bathroom, based on whatever that you want to create. Okay, so I'm going to just leave it with studio with a bathroom. That's fine. So just you can just customize it based on your preference and needs. Okay, all right, once that's done, and then fit everything inside a size. So what's your size is, for example, like 10 bm 10 meter by 10 meter. I will just use that, just put that. So whatever your specification is, just type that in. Okay, and then provide the dimensions of each room in whatever that is. So you can just provide that. Okay, and then make the layout style. So what the style you want. So for example, functional, compact, modern, just choose that. Okay, so based on your preference, you just choose that. Okay, so for example, I'll choose modern. So first, show the layout in a text-based format. After that, generate a visual floor plan as an image, and add any special features, like if you want a balcony, window, storage, or things. So if you have anything, just mention that. So whatever you want to customize this prompt, just customize it and add in all the details that you want to include. Okay, once you do that, and then what we're going to do is click on the send option. Okay, so this will now create the results for you. So you just have to wait for it to complete. Okay, so that's the layout, that's the text-based layout. And if I need the floor plan, visual floor plan, there's a link here, so just going to click on it, and there you go. That's the floor plan. If I just click on it, I just downloaded the floor plan. If I click on it, I'll see that here, and there you go. So that's the floor plan that I just created. It's just a random one that I just created for this video. Okay, so that's how you do it.